for the longest time, this seat has been quite uncomfortable to sit on and a little ugly. And also, I haven't been able to carry anything anywhere on this bike. There's just absolutely no room to put anything. That's gonna change today. With the help of the Bezos Boutique, we're gonna be making this bike more comfortable and practical. So here we've got a rack that'll mount on top of the rear of the bike. Then here we got a suspension system for the seat. And then right here we got a little cover, a nice looking, brown cover for our seat that we're gonna wrap over. It's gonna look real nice. All right, first we're gonna take the seat off. We're gonna put the seat cover on, and then we're gonna get to put in the seat suspension on here. After that, we're gonna put that rack on the back of the bike.
Nicholas, can I use this shovel? I need to get shovels.
That looks pretty sick. I'm gonna put some screws in the bottom, just to make absolutely sure this does not come off.
So then, why?
Okay, I'd say that looks pretty good. I kind of like creased it in some areas, but that's fine, I guess. So let's get to mounting this suspension seat. All right, first I think we're supposed to put this plate on the seat. All right, so we got that mount bolted in. Now it's time for the next step. Now we're supposed to put this little bracket right here. Voila! Make sure to leave it loose for ease of installation later. All right, now we're supposed to put the springs on this bracket here. What the heck? Something's not right. Okay, weirdly, these holes are not lining up, so we may have to drill them. Alright, after a lot of curse words and drilling random holes, I finally got this stupid thing in. So now we can mount the, where'd it go, seat here, and we'll be done with the seat. Hey Marin, it's pretty late right now, so I'm gonna continue the rack tomorrow. Alright, now all we gotta do is just add the cotter pins. There we go. Let's see how it is. Nice. Gives me a little bit of ride height. It's a lot more comfy. This is nice.
So then, why?
Sweet.
The next day.
Alright, it's the next day, and we're gonna work on putting in this rear rack. So the kit came with a longer axle, and that's gonna be used because these arms here that are gonna sit like that it's gonna add a little bit of width. So we need a longer axle, so we're gonna put that in first. as you can see, the new axle is a tad longer, so we're going to be using the newer one. Spacer.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Now we take the rack and then we use the included hardware to bolt this on.
So then, why?
Okay, we have finished all the work. Seat looks nice, it's comfortable. I'm able to finally put things on the back of this thing. It even has these little pegs for bungee cords. This looks awesome.